What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw digitally, doodle digitally. Alright, Vibes had a bit of a mishap, but you know. Anyways, go get your supplies and I'm going to show you how to do the rest. Wait, hold on, that's not a posting marker. Alright, now that we got our supplies, let's get to sketching. Alright, sketch is done. Time to get to inking. Let's do this. I believe it's time for the tasty lines. Tasty lines complete. Time to get to the color. Oh yeah. And with that, this doodle is complete. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys enjoy the reveal.
Drop my first single like, oh, he rap. You thought it was a drought, that's cap.
Thought I would end this video without even plugging myself. Go follow all my socials, link in the description on my link tree. Watch all my videos, go follow me on Twitch. Alright, I'm out.